Welcome. In this video, we'll discuss how to fix the Telegram app when it's not working properly. If you're encountering issues with the Telegram app, try these top ways to troubleshoot and get it back up and running smoothly. 1. Check your connection. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong, as a weak connection can hinder the functionality of the Telegram app. 2. Update Telegram. Make sure you have the latest version of the Telegram app installed on your device. Updating to the newest version can address any bugs or glitches that may be causing the app to not work as expected. 3. Restart your phone. A simple restart of your phone can help refresh the system and potentially resolve any underlying issues that are causing the Telegram app to malfunction. 4. Close and reopen Telegram. Force close the Telegram app and then reopen it to see if that resolves the problem you're experiencing with the app not working properly. 5. Free up storage space. Check your device's storage space and free up memory if it's running low, as insufficient storage can impact the performance of the Telegram app. 6. Check permissions. Ensure that Telegram has the necessary permissions on your device, such as access to storage, camera, and microphone, to function correctly. 7. Background data. Enable background data for Telegram in your device settings to allow the app to run smoothly in the background and receive notifications promptly. By following these troubleshooting steps, you can effectively address and fix any issues with the Telegram app not working, ensuring a seamless messaging experience on the platform. We hope this guide helps you in resolving any problems with the Telegram app efficiently. Thank you for watching.